こんにちは、先輩たち。Welcome back to my channel. 私はデスが先輩です。よろしくお願いします。Kung bago lang po kayo sa aking channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon para notify kayo for my upcoming uploads. So for today's topic, we have how to read numbers using Japanese language. So in order for me to elaborate this topic, I will proceed to my presentation. For today's topic, we have how to read numbers using Japanese language. At the end of the discussion, we will be having a short quiz. So let's start. We have 1 to 10. We have number in hiragana and in kanji. So as much as possible, we have to memorize the kanji of every numbers. We have number 1, ichi, number 2, ni, number 3, sang, number 4, yong, number 5, go, number 6, roku, number 7, nana, number 8, hachi, number 9, kyu, and number 10, ju. Next, we have 11 to 20. So 11 is Juichi, 12 Juni, number 13 Jusang, 14 Juyong, 15 Jugo, 16 Juroku, 17 Junana, 18 Juhachi, number 19 Jukyu, and 20 Niju. We have number 10 to 10, 20, 32, 100. Number 10 Ju, number 20 Niju, 30 Sangju, 40 Yongju, 50 Goju, 60 Rokuju, 70 Nanaju, 80 Hachiju, 90 Kyuju, and 100 is Yaku. We have 100 Yaku, 200 ni Yaku, 300 is special Sanbyaku, 400 Yongyaku, 500 Goyaku, 600 is also special Ropyaku, 700 is Nanayaku, 800 another special Hapyaku, 900 Kyuyaku, and 1000 is Seng. Next we have thousands, 1000s to 10,000s. 1000 is Seng, 2000 is Niseng, 3000 is special Sangzeng, 4000 is Yongseng, 5000 is Goseng, 6000 is Rokoseng, 7,000 is Nanaseng, 8,000 another special Haseng, 9,000 Kyuseng, 10,000 is Ichimang or isang lapad sa Filipino or Tagalog. So 10,000 naman to 100,000. 10,000 is Ichimang, 20,000 is Nimang, 30,000 is Sangmang, 40,000 is Yongmang, 50,000 is Gomang, 60,000 is Rokumang, 70,000 is Nanamang, 80,000 is Hachimang, 90,000 is Kyumang, and 100,000 is Jumang. So we have here yung kada level ng numbers. So doon tayo start sa pinakamababa or the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So first is ang ginamit ko ditong number is 5. So lahat ng muna siya 5. So ang 5 sa ones is go. Sa tens is goju. Sa hundreds is goyaku. And sa thousand is goseng. So pagbabasahin siya, goseng, goyaku, goju, go. Ito naman tayo sa 50,000. 50,000 is gomang. 500,000 is goju. 5 million is goyaku, goyakumang. And 50 million is goseng. Next, we have 500 million, which is gooku. We have 5 billion goju, 50 billion goyaku. 500 billion is goseng. And we have the 5 trillion gocho. We have the sign for yen, or we have in Nihongo, it is N. So kung babasahin natin ito lahat, this is gocho, goseng, goyaku, goju, gooku, goseng, goyaku, goju, gomang, goseng, goyaku, goju, go. We have here examples. Toeba, 2,666. So, in Nihongo, it is Niseng Ropyaku Rokuju Roku. Another is 20,306 yen. So, it is Nimang Sambyaku Roku-en. Another is 305,000 Sanju Mang Goseng. Another is 20 million yen Niseng Mang-en. Another is, last is 100 billion, 500 million, 10,618 in, so it is Haseng Gooku Ichimang Ropyaku Juhachi. Now it's time for our short quiz. Sabi ko nga kanina, I will be giving a short quiz and I will just also be giving you guys or senpai a 1 minute or ipundake to answer this. You can also press pause if you need some more time to translate these numbers. Time starts now. Hai, jikan desu. Kotaimasho. Ichibang. So we have 111 yen. So in Japanese, it is Yakuju Ichien. Nibang, 35,668 yen. Japanese, Sangmang Goseng Ropyaku Rokuju Hachi en. Sambang, 2,183,700. Niyaku Juhachimang Sangzeng Nana Yaku. Yongbang, we have 836,450,000. So in Japanese, it is Hachi Oku Sangzeng Ropyaku Yongju Gomang. Gobang, we have 12,345,678,912. So, medyo madami-dami to. So, it is Yaku ni Ju Sang Oku Yongseng Go Yaku Rokuju Nanamang Haseng Kyu-Yaku Juni. That will be all for today, Senpai. Thank you for watching on this video. Sana may natutunan kayo. And kung nagustuhan itong video na to, you can share it with your friends na nag-aaral ng Japanese language. Ganbate ko na sa'yo, Senpai. Mata ne!